How to find examination preparation resources. First and foremost, go to www.twinkl.co.za, go tap into the search bar and search exam preparations. You will then see options of preparation resources from assessments to worksheets with tips and tricks to be able to study and ace your exams. Let's take a look at some of the resources we have here at Twinkl to aid you in your exam preparation. We have the Study Skills Improving Your Memory worksheet with tips and tricks of how to improve your memory. The How to Set Up an Effective Study Plan worksheet. We also have Afrikaans resources such as this Graad 5 Wiskunde Hersiening worksheet. To further prepare yourself for the exams, you can take practice tests or assessments that we have on Twinkl. Each grade has different assessments for each subject. For example, take a look at this English assessment. You can get your learners or yourself to practice some comprehension assessments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and head over to our website. Click the link in our description box.